An earthquake of magnitude 7.8 struck southern Turkey on Monday morning. The epicenter was located about 90 kilometers from the Syrian border, near the city of Gaziantep. On both sides of the border, residents awakened by the pre-dawn quake ran outside as buildings were destroyed and violent aftershocks continued. More than 20 aftershocks followed, the strongest of which was a magnitude 6.6. It is reported about the collapse of more than 3,000 buildings across the entire cross-border strip, from the Syrian city of Aleppo to the Turkish Diyarbakir. The total death toll from the earthquakes has already exceeded 1,400. Rescuers and residents continue to search for survivors, overcoming piles of metal and concrete. With thousands injured, the death toll is expected to rise further. Hospitals in the affected areas are rapidly filling up with casualties. Humanitarian aid is sent from all over the world and other regions of Turkey to the areas affected by the earthquake. Search and rescue teams are quickly mobilized from Bulgaria, Croatia, the Czech Republic, France, Greece, Hungary, Malta, the Netherlands, Poland and Romania. Ukraine, Italy, Spain, Slovakia and China also offered their rescue teams to Turkey. Turkish President Erdogan called today the worst disaster for the country since 1939. The earthquake then killed more than 32,000 people and injured more than 100,000.